Hello everyone, for today's video, I will be sharing with you the different types of pots that I use here in the garden. So hopefully by the end of the video, you can decide which pot is best suitable for your new urban garden. And I'll also be sharing some tips in regards to maintaining and cleaning your pots. So first on the list, terracotta pots. They look aesthetically pleasing and they're also porous, so the chances of root rot is slim, but the downside is it is heavy and it's also difficult to transport. So as an alternative, you can buy plastic pots. So this is lighter and it's cheaper, and the problem here is that when exposed to too much sun, it has the tendency to crack. So yeah, see, it's starting to crack. And it's also not porous, unlike the terracotta pots. If your soil quality is bad, then expect some root rot or mold in the root system. If you are trying to sell plants like this, I mean, it's not for sale, but if you're trying to mass produce or propagate plants, you can buy polybags. So this is cheaper, actually the cheapest on the list. Okay, but as you can see, it's fragile and it also wears up when exposed to too much sun. But it's cheaper, it's also lightweight. If you have been collecting plastic bottles lately, then you can create your own DIY pots. Just make sure that it has drainage holes at the bottom, and also paint it. Okay, paint it or decorate it, because this is plastic, it is transparent, and there's a possibility of algae growth. It will not hurt the plant, but it will look bad. I mean, it will look less pleasing. When it comes to cleaning your pots, you can give them a quick rinse and then let them dry for a few days in full sun. And then if you want to be extra cautious when it comes to bacteria, you can soak them or wash them in lukewarm water. So have you already decided which type of pot are you going to be using in your new urban garden? Write your suggestions below in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, consider sharing this video and hitting the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. We have a Facebook page about gardening, so if you want to check it out, it's down in the description below. This is At Kashel, signing out.